What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of a 2013 Sea Ray Sundancer 370. Done a few videos on this boat before, but just wanted to do a more detailed walkthrough of it because this thing is a really nice boat and it's packed with tons of cool features and options. It's got the black hull sides, white top sides, stylish radar arch, opening hatch over the forward berth, a couple of skylights also right over the salon to let some extra natural light in. Really makes the cabin feel a lot more spacious. Radar arch is right there. We've got VHF antenna. This boat has the hydraulic swim platform option with a 1,200 pound capacity. That swim platform will raise and lower. You can also tie up a small tender or maybe a jet ski. You've got chocks to do that also. Really awesome feature on this boat that not a lot of these models have that you can find. Really makes this boat feel a lot bigger than it is. Plenty of room on this swim platform here. Shore power inlets here. We've got rear storage here. Transom shower right there. More storage in here. I also have a Kenyon electric grill that was changed out about a year ago with a sink and also a refrigerator. Of course, we got more storage in here also. Two helm seats, co-captain's chair there, L-shaped settee on the port side. Plenty of room overall. The vinyl's in great shape. Also got a couple of cup holders right there. Premium Memphis audio sound system. You can see the giant speakers. Boat's got Raymarine Electronics, Memphis Bluetooth sound system, autopilot, analog instrumentation for our engines, and we also have digital controls here as well with the push button start feature. Tilt steering wheel, as well as a bow thruster, which is a huge option on this boat. Co-captain's chairs here, loudspeakers, also a door here separates the cockpit from the swim deck. Overall, tons of room in this cockpit. It's also got sea deck that was added about a year ago that's in great shape overall. This right here is our door to our cabin, but we've also got integrated steps that walk up to our bow deck here. You can see there's plenty of grab handles, place to grab onto, and this here is nice and wide for you to be able to get in and out of this deck very easily. Very easy to go in and out. You can see our bow hatch right there. We do have a windlass that's covered by a hatch with spotlight and foot pedals. Spot for a huge sun pad. Of course, a couple of skylights right there to let in a lot of natural light into the salon. We've also got this very sturdy grab handle right here, so transitioning from the bow area to the cockpit is very safe and seamless. These helm chairs have flip-up bolsters and flip-down footrests for you as well. Plenty of cockpit space, plenty of bow space. This boat has got a lot of room on it. go ahead and go and check out the interior. Galley's on the port side. Plenty of counter space. 2-burner electric cooktop, sink, plenty of storage up here, microwave, a couple of power outlets back here, large window with a privacy shade. Got more storage in here. Also got freezer and slide out drawer, and then a refrigerator that's about a year old. The forward berth's on an actuator, so it will slide out. Also separated by a privacy curtain right here that also comes out. Closets on both sides. That's the remote for the berth actuator. Storage above the berth. You've also got a hatch that opens with a screen, and also you can completely cover that as well. Got more storage there. Storage here, of course, up above the settee right here. It's just a straight settee that comes out and converts to a berth. You just slide it out manually. I also have a spot for a table as well. Flat screen TV, power outlets. Electrical panel is right here, 120 volts AC and 12 volts DC. It's our generator panels right there, and you got your master ignition switches for the engines. Got this cabin right here that's also separated by a privacy curtain, and this portion here will manually slide out. Of course, you got a flat screen TV right there. That is nice. Plenty of lights back here. Here's a view from back here. This curtain just comes out there. The floor has also been changed out on this boat too, so it's got a new floor. Real spacious cabin inside. Plenty of natural light comes in, even with the door closed. Heads right here. We got our toilet, storage, vanities right there. Got our shower stall here. Shower head is up there. Toilet's right there, and you can cover it. Of course, this has a door right here, so the shower can be separated from the sink and vanity. Go ahead and stand up in here. I'm 6'1", and we still have about, I'd say, a couple inches of extra headroom. So plenty of room in this shower. Also got a mirror right there on the door as well. This boat is powered by twin 8.2 Mercruiser Horizon gasoline V-drive engines with just over 750 hours. The generator is a Kohler 5 kW that was recently rebuilt, and it's got just over 400 hours on it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in purchasing another Sea Ray, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.